After issuing the challenge to Russell to make the absolute beefiest, most heavy-duty, durable boot they are capable of making, they delivered with this 7-layer beefy Russell mock. But it's super limited quantities. It might even be sold out by now. Check the links below just in case there's a few left around. And get yourself the most over-the-top, durable, ridiculously built moccasin that's ever been made. Check them out below. Double unboxing. This time from Blackbird and Kato. Blackbird Shoemaker. I assume it's Blackbird. And some denim. I think let's just get straight to it. If you don't know who Kato is, Hiroshi Kato is a denim brand with specialized in Japanese denim, selvage denim, raw denim kind of world. Born in Japan, made in Los Angeles, inspired by classic garments, Kato focuses on combining modern need for comfort with the love of vintage pieces. Taking inspiration from hardware, stitching, and even machinery used, and blending it with innovative blends of fabrics and new fits, Kato is dedicated to creating timeless pieces that you'll hold on to for years. They've developed signature materials like 4-way stretch that consist of combining traditional Japanese denim with a 4-way stretch material, allowing us to create the most comfortable pairs of selvage denim from day one wearing them. That innovation also led Kato to develop Denit, a new knit material that looks like denim but essentially feels like loungewear, giving you comfort and style wherever you go. So let's see what they sent me. What knife? Big Idea Designs. Oh, I forgot I broke this. How did I break it? What was I doing? I can't remember what boot I was tearing apart. It might have been it was probably the brass wire boot we did for Goral. That is the one flaw of this that I've found, is when I was really cranking and prying on this, because it's a friction fit or like a tension fit blade, it snapped out. So convenient, but not the most durable. So instead we'll go to the cheapest option, the Work Pro. These are like 3 for $10, and they're honestly better than the Gerbers, I think. So let's see what Kato sent us. Oh, it's a t-shirt. I like Kato because they have like motorcycle style too. I really like traditional American tattoo style, like motorcycle culture. It's cool. Let's see what this is. Whew, $108 for a t-shirt. It's called the Stamp 9-ounce organic cotton. I can read. The boxy fit, made of heavyweight 9-ounce cotton that's pigment dyed, pre-shrunk, and made in the USA. Oh, cool. Pre-shrunk and made in the USA. Ooh, it has a nice heft to it. It is heavy. You know, it feels more like almost like a sweatshirt material. Like if you took a sweatshirt and you took out all the fuzzies, that's kind of how this feels to me. It has kind of like that stretch to it as well. Kato's commitment to quality means we never stop improving our craft. We're always looking for new ways to perfect the basics. This new organic cotton heavyweight tee clocks at 9 ounces and will outlast any regular tee in your closet. Let's try it on. Oof, kind of has a smell to it. It smells like my grandma. 6'4". That fits pretty good. It's pretty boxy. You know, like I'd probably tuck something like this in. I don't know, I like it. The squat, half squat, show you. Yeah, I like it. It's an XL, so if you're a big fella, you might want to go up. Nice. I like it. So shout out to Kato for sending me a 9-ounce heavyweight shirt. I might have even gone an extra to XX. Because this looks nice because it's like pretty, it's not big by any means, but it's not tight. You know, I don't have like my arms like tight or like my belly showing. I like it. And the way they're wearing it, like if you look, it's fitting me about like it's fitting their model. So I think it's a good fit. Now to Blackbird. Whoa, it's heavier than I thought. Who are we? Blackbird says, we are a team of passionate shoemakers with only one goal: to put Indian shoemaking on the global podium at par with English and Italian artistry. Blackbird Shoes, the brand, firmly stands to let the world know about the true Indian shoemaking capabilities and promote Indian craftsmanship. Might be the first Indian shoes we've got. Let's see what part of India. They got their address down here. I'm just curious. I don't really know anything about India. Okay, so they're in the north side of India, tucked up near the state at least borders Nepal. Okay, let's see what they sent us. Back to the Work Pro. Two boxes, please. All right, pretty nice boxes. Paper wrap boxes. Got a little beat up in transit, coming all the way from India probably. Nice presentation, Blackbird Shoemaker, hand welted shoes, handcrafted in India. What do we have? Nice little sticker holding it together. Comes with some leather sewn insoles. Open cell foam on the bottom. Ooh, nice little shoe horn. This actually looks like it's made of real horn too. I don't know enough about shoe horns to say 100%. Some extra laces. These are some pretty rustic laces. You know, pretty beat up and gnarly. Ooh, they're boots. I thought they were gonna be shoes. Let's see what they got. Black bird. Let's see what's what. They package them, that's for sure. Woo, good gravy. That looks way nicer than I would have expected. Oh my gosh, that's cool. It kind of has, I love these Dr. Soles too. These green Dr. Soles. Half sole, little brass screws, brass nails. Looks like the nails didn't get driven all the way down. You can see them, they're kind of like poking up a little bit. I wonder why they didn't drive those all the way through. Sewn all the way through. So it looks like a stitch down, double stitch down on the toe. This kind of looks like White's 350 cruiser cutter. Kind of has that vibe to it to me. Nice leather though. That's a good looking boot. Structured toe, speed hooks. My question about these is like, what's the actual quality? Because I don't know anything about Indian manufacturing, but anytime you go to a new country that has different styles of construction and tanneries and stuff like that, you just never know what's what. And what, like, for instance, let's just see how soft these eyelets are. They're pretty soft. I've just been to, you know, some of those little things is what I'm gonna be looking for if we do cut these in half. It's like, okay, what's the actual quality of all these little teeny components? But that's a good looking boot though. Looks like a nice, generous last. Cool. Okay, let's see what what's in the other box. God, it's finished well too. It kind of looks like it's a combination of Grant Stone with White's. You know, like if you took the diesel boot from Grant Stone and combined it with the White's 350 cutter. How much is this? Okay, they call this the Rudiger-Z service boot to Scanello horse rump. Is this horse hump or horse hump? Horse rump? $330 USD. So they're taking on the never creasing classic combat boot style. Never creasing, never ceasing. With the broader round toe and classic work boot silhouette, the stitch down construction enhances the boot's ability to withstand water, making them more resilient during rugged wear. The boot's distinctive design and use of premium horse rump leather from Miriam, which is one of the top Italian tanneries. It does look like horse rump actually. Because if you look at this cross section right here, that has more, like kind of a cordovan kind of look to it. So it probably is actually horse rump. It's definitely a Dr. Soles outsole. Dang, for 330 bucks? It's kind of crazy. But who knows, honestly, you just never know. Because sometimes people can dress these boots up to make them look really nice until you see what's on the inside. But let's see what else they sent us. Somebody already broke the seal. Oh, it's not fully broken. Insoles and laces. Another boot. Ooh, a little more dress style. A little classier, a little slimmer toe compared to the more service boot style that this one is. You can see the toe difference. This one has a double, no, it has a midsole. Yeah, I guess a double midsole. This one has a single thinner midsole. What is this boot? Clearly more dress oriented. The Luchador. Service boot, Chrome XL brown service boot. Luchador boots are a classy and sophisticated take on the combat boot with an elegant English silhouette. The stitch-down construction sets them apart from the Luchador model and enhances the boot's ability to withstand water, making... Okay, say Horween Chrome XL. They say it's from Horween. Let me give this a sniff test. I bought enough Chrome XL in my life that I should know a true Chrome XL smell from a fake. Definitely is not the best cut of Chrome XL, but Chrome XL just kind of does that. Chrome XL is a pretty wrinkly leather. Okay, smell test. 1, 2, 3. Smells like glue. I can't smell the leather. It looks like Chrome XL. It's a really high polished Chrome XL if it is. But they say it is on their site, so I just can't imagine they'd be shipping that much leather all the way to the heart of India. But I guess they do. Pretty cool though. The price of this one is $290. They look good. Horse rump for 330 bucks. Chrome XL boot, stitched down construction, nailed heel. Looks like it's all authentic parts. Wow. pretty good deal. So, from the outside anyway, you know, we probably have to cut one of these and have to really see what's going on and where maybe some corners are cut to get it down to that price point. But if not, that's a pretty wild deal. $330 for a full stitch down, or a 270 stitch down nailed heel, leather through the construction. I don't know if it's leather insole though, because there's a leather lining. I can't imagine it's not. Okay, let's try them on real quick. Let's see how sizing goes. Unless there's no sizing on here. Oh, it's on the bottom, 43. Okay, what about this one though? I don't know. There's not really any sizing markings on this boot. So I'm assuming it's a 43 as well. It seems like it fits about right. Okay, it seems like it fits pretty close. I usually buy 43, 44 range if it's European sizing. I'm a 10 on the Brannock. Seems to fit just fine. These horse drum ones are nice though. Tell you what, I think they fit. So pretty true to your European sizing actually. At least for me, you get 43s and 44s in most. Dang, those are good looking boots. I wore the wrong kind of pants for this boot. Yeah, I think I'd get 43. Pretty good looking boots too. I wouldn't go any bigger, especially on these bigger service boots. I would stick to a 43. Okay, that's it. So shout out to Kato for sending me this nice shirt, 9 ounces. Has a cool stretch to it, nice heft, looks good. And shout out to Blackbird for sending these in. So if you want to see them get cut in half, let me know which one of these, and if you want to see it, because if this video does well, then I might cut them. If not, I'll probably just hang on to these and keep them for myself. So thank you guys. See ya.